Hello and welcome back, fellow foodizens. It's your girl TK and I'm back with another video. This one is going to be a quick video. It's going to be a review, so I won't be cooking anything. I'll be reviewing the Real Good plant-based sausage pizza. It's going to be Beyond Meat plant-based sausage on this pizza, and a Nordic Ware pizza stone set. I can never get the name straight. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this review. So here we have the back of the box with the nutrition facts, the ingredients, and you can see everything that the pizza is made out of. You have the little, I don't know what you call that stuff that's on the back of the pizza, all the little fun stuff that's, I guess, supposed to be informative or whatever. I don't know. And then you have the cooking instructions on the back of the box as well. All right, and here I've just taken the pizza out of the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance, y'all. I didn't have the tripod. I couldn't find it, so I'm just holding the camera, and that was what the pizza looked like out of the box. And I'm preheating the oven to 400. So here's the Nordic Ware pizza stone set, three-piece pizza stone set. So it comes with the pizza stone, a rack to put the pizza stone on once it's done cooking, and when it's time to cool it, and a pizza cutter. So there you have a recipe on the back of the box, as well as care and cleaning instructions. I'm going to go ahead and be honest. I don't always follow the use and care. Well, first of all, I don't always follow the instructions on the packages anyway. And you know, sometimes it's a bust, but a lot of times I'm okay with it. I will say this: the cleaning instructions where it says not to use soap, that did not sit well in my spirit. So I went ahead and used soap, but it did not affect my pizza. I did not end up tasting Dawn afterwards, so I think I'm good there. Everything turned out fine. All right, so here I'm putting the pizza into the oven onto the stone plate, carefully, because you are supposed to preheat the stone before you cook it. And this time I did follow the instructions, so yay me. So I'm carefully putting it onto the stone plate because, again, one hand action. I don't know what happened to the tripod. So I'm putting it in there on 400 for about 16 minutes. And here we have the end result. Look, don't come for me, don't judge me. This is proof that their stone pizza stone set, whatever, works, okay? Because I was basically trying to make sure that the center was well cooked. Also, not to mention the crust is thin. And I think, now that I think about it, I think it was a cauliflower crust. So yeah, that just lets you know right here, the well cooked is what we're going to call it, edges, lets you know that that pizza stone really works. So onto my final review of the pizza. I'm not a frozen pizza girl, but I've got to say, I would eat this again. The sausage tasted like regular pizza sausage. I don't eat pork, but I mean, as you can see from what's left, it did well. It tasted well, and the pizza stone did well. So I'm going to thank you guys for joining me again on this quick video, this quick review of Real Good plant-based sausage or Beyond Meat sausage pizza and the Nordic Ware pizza stone set. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.
you.